Right, today students in English medium mathematics lessons in this level local syllabus. In the equation lesson we are discussing. In the early lesson we discussed how to solve simultaneous equations. Now in this part I try to discuss simultaneous equation when constructing. So after constructing simultaneous equation, how to solve the simultaneous equation, right? So in this part, in the GCO level exam, you get one question in the second paper, so that is a very important part to you. Right, my first question is students, the following advertisement was displayed in a stall which sells mango plants and guava plants. So see the advertisement, 2 guava plants for the price of a mango plant and 2 mango plants and 1 guava plant only 500 rupees. So Roman number 1 say they are taking the price of a mango plant as X rupees and the price of a guava plant as Y rupees. So you have to construct a pair of simultaneous equation, and Roman number 2 solve them equation and find the price of a mango plant and a guava plant. So that is the first question. Right, students, let's we move to the solution of the above question. First of all, I'll display here the data given in the advertisement. You can see here 2 guava plant for the price of a mango plant and 2 mango plants and one guava plant are only 500 rupees. So in this type of constructing simultaneous equation, first noted the unknown variable. So what are the unknown variable? So they told take price of a mango plant as X rupees, right? So this is the one unknown term. Another unknown term they have given, take price of a guava plant as Y rupees, right? So first one is Roman number 1 say you should construct a pair of simultaneous equation, right? Now you can see in the advertisements there are two sentences, right? So using these two sentences you can construct two equations, right? So that is very important, right? Let's see. So see the first advertisement, right? In the first sentence, 2 guava plants, right? See here, price of a guava plant, that means price of one guava plant is Y, right? So you can write one Y. So then 2 guava plants, so one guava plant is Y rupees, mean 2 guava plant is how many? 2 into y, right? So that is, we can write as 2y. So this is the price of 2 guava plant. So that is for the price of a mango plant. You can see a mango plant is X rupees. So what they tell? 2 guava plants, that means 2y for the price of a mango plants. That means price of 2 guava plant can be bought for the price of 1 mango plant. So that means these two equal, right? So we name this equation as first equation, right? Then we go to the second sentence. See, 2 mango plants, right? 2 mango plants. So we take 1 mango plant is X rupees. 1 mango plant X rupees. So how to write the price of 2 mango plants? 1 mango plant is X rupees, mean 2 mango plant means X should multiply by 2. That is we written as 2x, right? So this is the price of 2 mango plant. And 1 guava plant, see here, 1 guava plant is Y rupees, right? So here say 2 mango plants and one guava plant, right? So that means addition of, right, addition of these 2 mango plants and one guava plant you can buy for 500 rupees. That means 2x plus y should be equal to 500 rupees. Understand? so we name that equation as second equation, right? Now we solve these two equations, right? This is the construction part, Roman number 1. Now Roman number 2 say you have to solve, right? So we got pair of simultaneous equation. Let's see. In this type of equation, here you can see 2y equal x, right? So there is a special case in this equation, right? Here x, right? See this equation. Here x is the subject of this equation. X is the subject. If in simultaneous equations, in one equation, one variable, one unknown is subject, you can put that unknown term into second equation. That means you can substitute in the second equation x as this 2y, right? So that is the easy method to solve this type of simultaneous equation. Otherwise we have to add, subtract, right, removing one term, right? So this is another method. Let's see this method. This is method, right? Now I substitute to equation 2. What is in first equation? They have tell x is equal to y, right? Now substitute to 2y. Here you can see the second equation, right? This is second equation, 2x plus y equal 500. So here I am going to substitute. Here you can see x is equal to y. Here I put x as 2y, right? What is the mean of 2x? 2x mean 2 into x, so that means 2 into 2y, right? Because I put x as 2y, right? So here x as 2y, then added y, that is equal to 500, right? Understand? Now you can multiply, right? Because 2x means 2 into x. Now 2 into 2y, that means 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4y. Here also plus y, that is equal to 500. Okay, then here see 4y plus y, like terms. Here there are 4y terms, here 1y term, so that means you can add all how many y, then you get 5y equal 500. Now we have to take the y, right? So let's see. So here you can see y multiplied by 5, so that means both side you can see here divide by 5, right? This multiplied 5, you can divide both side by 5, then you can here cut 5, then you get y. Here 500 divided by 5 means that is 100, so that is one variable y, right? Now we move to find the second variable x, right? So it is easy to use this first equation, right? First equation y, in the first equation x is subject, right? We found y, right? Let's see how to find that one. Substitute to equation 1, right? So here I'm going to put y is 100 rupees, right? Let's see the equation. 2y equal x. Now here 2y means 2 into y, right? That means 2 into, now y is 100. We found here that is equal to x. 2 into 100 means that is 200, so x is 200. So that means we can write price of a mango plant, right? Price of a mango plant is 200 rupees. Price of a guava plant is 100 rupees, right? So that is a solution of two equation, right? Right, next move to the second questions, students. Now a total of 11 three-wheelers and cars are parked in a parking lot. The total number of wheels of these vehicles is 39. Now we have to construct by taking number of three-wheelers as x and number of cars as y. So we have to construct pair of simultaneous equation. Then by solving them, we have to find the number of three-wheelers and number of cars. Right. Now let's see, students, how to get the solution of the above example. Right. So first we have to construct a pair of simultaneous equations, right? Now see here, I'll mention the given data here, right? So we have to take number of three-wheelers as x, right? Number of three-wheelers as x, and also number of cars as y, right? So these are the two variables. Now data given. What is the data given per sentence? See here, you can see here the total of 11 three-wheelers and cars are parked in the parking lot, right? So there are total 11 three-wheelers and cars, right? Total number of three-wheelers and cars are 11. Now here you can see we take number of three-wheelers x, number of cars y. So how to write using this sentence as an equation? You can see here number of three-wheelers x, number of cars y. Addition means this is the total number of vehicles, right? Total number of vehicles. So they have given that is equal to 11. This is equal to 11. So that is first equation. My name is first equation, right? Now move to the second sentence, right? You can see here total number of wheels of these vehicles is 39, right? Number of wheels, right? You can see here, in a three-wheeler how many wheels? There are three wheels. Car, four wheels, right? So you have to write the total number of wheels, right? Let's see how to write number of wheels for a three-wheeler, right? So, right, see here one three wheel, there are three wheels, so there are x number of three wheelers, right? So total number of wheels in x number of three wheelers is 3 into x, right? So there are 3 into x number of wheels in three wheelers, right? Let's see how to write number of wheels in a car, right? One car, four wheels, right? So you have to multiply number of cars y, then you get total number of wheels in y number of cars, right? How to take total number of wheels in three wheelers and car? You have to add. So this is the total they have given, that is equal to 39, right? So that is how to construct simultaneous equation. This one you can write 3 into x, you can write as 3x, 4 into y you can write as 4y, that is equal to 39. So this is my second equation, right? Now I get two equation. Now I want to solve this, right? Let's see. Variable x 3x not equal, y 4y not equal, so you have to equal one variable, right? So I like to equal x variable, right? X variable, see here first equation x, second 3x, so that means in first equation if you multiply x by 3 you get 3x, right? Then you can write x and 3x equal, right? So that means first equation each term should multiply by 3. First equation multiply by 3, that means x should multiply by 3, let's see, right? And y should multiply by 3, 3y, 11 should multiply by 3, that is 33, right? So this is a new equation, so that is named as third equation, right? Then I take the second equation, right? See here this second equation. Now what happened? See 3x 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 3x, so x terms are equal, both positive. That means how to remove this 3x 3x, you can remove by subtracting, right? So therefore I decided to subtract, right? So you can subtract second one from third one, or third one from second one, both you can do, right? Anyway you can remove the x term, right? I decided subtract third one from the second one, right? Now left hand side subtract, see here, right? See here 3x plus 4y, you have to subtract what is 3x plus 3y, right? You have to subtract. Here you can see there are two terms to subtract, that means to subtract you need bracket, right? Right side 39 minus 33, right? Let's see. So here how to simplify, you need multiply by this negative sign, right? This sign positive, this sign also positive, you have to multiply, right? Let's see. 3x plus 4y remain, negative multiply by positive, then you get negative 3x, again negative multiplied by positive, then again negative, right hand side you can simplify 39 minus 33, that is 6, right. Now let's see here 3x 3x, right, 3x 3x, both terms are equal, right, 3x 3x, but sign is different, positive negative, that means that terms become 0, right. Let's see, remain positive 4y minus 3y, so that is equal to 6, right. 4y minus 3y easily can get 1y, that is equal to 6. So one variable we already found, number of cars is 6, right. Then how to find x? You can go to first equation, second equation, or third one, anyone. So first one is easy, so I substitute to first equation, right. Y is 6, here I put y is 6. Let's see, x plus y is 11, that is equation, here I put 6, y as 6, so then you get x plus 6, that is equal to 11. So easily you can remove the 6, you can subtract 11 minus 6, that is you get 5, right. Now you have to write what is x? Number of three wheelers, right. So you can write number of three wheelers is 5, number of cars is 5, right. So that is the solution, that is the solution. Right, now let's see the third example I have taken. See, percentage of a woman is 25 years more than her daughter's age, right. Then second sentence, 15 years ago the ages of the woman was twice as the age of her daughter, right. Then by taking the percentages of woman and her daughters x and y as respectively, Roman number 1 say you have to construct pair of simultaneous equation. Roman number 2, solving them you have to find the percentages of the woman and the daughter. Right, now students, let's move to the solution of the third example I have taken. So that one say about the ages, so be careful. See here, so they have given present age of a woman is x years, I take as that is x, right. Let's see, and present age of her daughter is y years, right. Now what are the given data? You can see here, this is one, right. So see here, present age of a woman is 25 years more than her daughter's age, right. So you have to write an equation using this sentence, right. See here, present age of a woman is, right, percentage of a woman is, what is percentage of a woman is x, right, that is x is, that means that is equal, right. 25 years more than means you have to add, right. So present age of a woman is, percentage of woman is x, is means equal 25 years more, that means you have to add than her daughter's age, daughter's means daughter's age is y, right. So you can see percentage of woman is 25 years more than addition her daughter says, right. This is the first equation, equation number 1. Then go to second data, 15 years ago, right. So early, right, 15 years ago ages of woman was twice as the age of her daughter, right. Now we have to go back 15 years. Now present age of woman is x, daughter is y. Now if you go back 15 years, what happened? Age of woman now age is x. 15 years back, 15 years ago, age of woman is x minus 15. You have to subtract 15. What is age of daughter? you should go back 15 years. That means y minus 15. That is the age of woman and age of daughter 15 years ago. Now what is the sentence? 15 years ago, age of woman was, that is equal, how? Twice as the age of her daughter. Twice as the age of daughter. That means age of daughter should multiply by 2. Twice. So that is equal to age of woman. Understand? So this is my second equation, right? Now easily you can simplify this one, right? So that means this by 2 you can multiply y and also 15. Let's see, x minus 15, that is equal 2 multiplied by y, 2y, 2 multiplied by 15, that is 30, right? So this is my second equation. Now I got pair of simultaneous equation. Now I am going to solve, right? Let's see how to solve. See here, x term, right? Here x is subject. X is subject. So remember, when solving simultaneous equation, one variable subject means you can put this variable into second equation, right? So that is the easy way, right? Now what I am going to do, substitute this x into second equation. That means here I put what is y plus 25. Understand? So that is the easy way, right? So here x is y plus 25, here also minus 15, right hand side 2y minus 30, right? Now you can see here positive 25, negative 50, right? So that you can simplify, that is you can see 10, right? Positive 10, right hand side same. Then you can take y terms here, both side numbers are in both side, you can take numbers into one side, y terms are into one side. Here see positive 2y, you can take this y, you can subtract both side y, then you get y into this side, and 30 is negative this side, you can add both side 30, then you get positive 30 this side. Then what you get, 30 plus 10, that is 40, 2y minus y, that is 1y. One variable found, right? Let's move to find the second x, right? So easy, use to first equation, that means substitute y into first equation. See here, x is equal y plus 25, y is 40, here put y is 40, what happened? X is equal 40 plus 25, 40 plus 25, that is 65, right? Now already found two variable, right? Now you can write percentage of woman is x, that is 65 years, percentage of daughter is 40 years. That is the solution of both.